This is your code. Okay, I'll change the color of your code. So now what we need to do, these rules need to apply on this code. So what to do? So we need some interface, some broker sort of it in laptop. So there's one utility will be there, scanner. This scanner, it can be of various type. It can be a scanner, it can be command line. Same scanner you can use as a Jenkins plugin or .NET plugin or Maven plugin or Gradle plugin, something like that. Different way. But real implementation, the scanner is in Java format. Okay, don't get lost and Java format, but it has been implemented in a different platform. So scanner. So what is happening? The moment you run the scanner on the source code, this scanner will analyze the code and talk to the server, which is sonarQube server. Go and download the rules, apply the rules here, and then after that reports is being generated, and this reports is being stored in the database, and this database here you can see, okay, what problem you have in the code, who introduced this problem, where is this problem, how to fix it, and so on, project wise. All this issues type, this, that, and all, you will see that. So are you understanding how it works, all of you?
Rajesh, can you repeat it again? I missed.
Same thing. The moment you run the sonarQube on the code, that's all. You have to do this one. Rest of the things will happen automatically. What will happen? So sonarQube scanner will read the code, download the rules from the server, apply the rules on the code, generate a reports, and this reports you can store in the database. From there, you can see the all this on dashboard. Very simple. This all will happen automatically when you run the scanner on the code. That's all.
Okay,
Are
and
you
the
understanding
server
all of
means
it?
this is the sonarQube server.
sonarQube
Is it?
server, and this is your
Okay,
laptop.
yeah. So all the rules are available there in the sonarQube server. Okay.
sonarQube. Because of that reason only, one of the that reason we are using sonarQube. Correct, no? Are you understanding all of it?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, so what do you need to do? So after understanding how it works, what you need to do? Nothing great. You need to first server, sonarQube server. You need to have a scanner. You need to have a code. So these are the three things you need to have it. And that is what I am going to show you the demo. First, I'll set up a server. So let me get a machine access first. So this machine I was setting up before you guys were connecting. So this is the machine. This is HT. What is IP address? I forgot actually. So username root, password is Rajesh123. What is IP address is where is that? 7 is IP address. Okay. So now what I will do, log in to that IP address 7. So 198.168.1.7 root Rajesh123 password Rajesh123 done and colors 14 done guys. Okay, so sorry. So here done. Now I need to have Java first because sonarQube is based on Java. And second thing which I need is sonarQube. So let me start the installation process of Java. So Java install debugschool, and here this is tutorial will help me. So I'm going for Java 11, which is needed. There are many ways to install the Java. I'm going for OpenJDK. Now, meanwhile, what I will do, I will have downloaded my sonarQube package, which I just downloaded it in order to save time. Why to waste waiting for downloading? So here Java is being installed. Same time I'm trying to download. So let me close rest of the console. And IP address was 7, right? What is this connection? 9167. One 192.168.1.7. Username is root. Let me check if the IP address is 7 or not. Root Rajesh 123 IPA 61.1.7. That's correct. So yeah, so sudo -s. Now what I will do, I'll download the package which I downloaded, upload the package which I downloaded. So that will be a faster option. I'm doing parallelly. One way I'm installing the Java here, and another way I'm now uploading the sonarQube package in the server. Done, guys. So my package is uploaded already. Java is yet to be installed. Okay. So there is a one issues in the installation process. So now, guys, can you please tell me what is the user you have? User, which user I've logged in?
Root.
Yeah. So please remember that sonarQube will not run as a root user. That is a problem. Then you'll say, Rajesh, why? Then sonarQube have a one component inbuilt which is called Elasticsearch. Why we are using Elasticsearch? For the site searches, code searches at sonarQube. So sonarQube uses the Elasticsearch, and Elasticsearch cannot run as a root user. And because of that, sonarQube is also cannot run as a root user. That is a problem. Okay. So what to do now? So I'll create one user. How do we create a user? User add Rajesh. Now Rajesh, I'll set a password also. Password Rajesh. Rajesh123. Rajesh123. I set the password. Now this package I will copy CP to sonarQube to home Rajesh, his user home. And same time I'll give the permissions also, so you will not have a trouble for this. If you are logged in as a Rajesh, there is no problem. Normal user, there is no problem. But because chown, what is this? Rajesh colon Rajesh. Sorry, spelling mistake. I said. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll log in as a Rajesh. Clear the screen and go my user home, CV, and done. Are you comfortable, all of you?
Yeah, Rajesh.
So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to unzip this. I don't know whether unzip is there or not. Unzip is not there. So what I'll do, I'll install the unzip, yum install unzip. You can do through the sudo also, but sudo is not added, so no problem. So here I did unzip, and now I extracted it. Now guys, you need to get comfortable with this. This is the reason I am using Rajesh or normal account. Earlier, 4 years before, they were using something else. I don't remember that, recall that name for the site searches, which is the father of Elasticsearch. I think I missed that name. I'll tell you later. So yeah. So here you have a start, stop. Here you have configuration file for sonarQube. sonarQube, you have a database, right? This is the database. So you can configure the database with is the MS SQL, Oracle, Postgres, and all stuff like that. MySQL was supported earlier, but not supported anymore. So H2, which is the trial version of database, which will have a data inside that. These are the plugins, logs, some temp files, website is here, libraries of jar file here. So now I'll go to the bin directory, and here go to the operating system Linux, and here I have sonarQube start and start the sonarQube. I'll just wait for a few seconds and then run status, and it is running. So which port you can access the sonarQube? So port number is 9000, 192.167, 68, sorry, 68 instead of 107, and 9000. Let me check this here. You have it or not? And here you are. Some of you will get stuck. It will not be accessible. So disable the firewall and so forth. Are you understanding, all of you? Any questions so far?
What is all good?
Okay, so now guys, this is the sonarQube as we discussed. So server is up and running. This is the address, and username is admin. Password, I need to check. Just a second. Let it load, and then I'll check that. By the way, it's the most recent version, which is 9. So I started from the 4, and I see a lot of release which is happening every time. And I don't think so project is able to keep up with so many releases. Done. And this is the username admin 123 or something. No, admin only. Yes. So that's admin, and you can change the password. So admin to admin 123, admin 123, and set the password. And this is your sonarQube server. So here admin 123. Are you comfortable, all of you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now, as per the things, my server is ready. Now see here, it's a rule. Where do you see the rules? Look at this rules here. And so many rules are there. As per the languages, you see Java, so many rules. These rules are nothing but the code. Remember that I discussed initially. These all are rules you have here, and you can filter by the rules type, tag, repository, status, and all. And here, these are the issues. Right now, there is no issues. There is no projects also, and profiles, quality gates, and all. I'll discuss about it. So now, what to do? So now we need to have scanner and code. So as per the image, if you look at this, where the scanner and code will be there in your laptop. So guys, I have some local setup. Let me show you. C drive, sonarQube, tools first, and then sonarQube here. Now I need a scanner first. So where do we get a scanner? So this is a scanner. Now you'll say, Rajesh, this is how can you download? So I'll delete this. I'll freshly download the new version of it. So I'll just go to the Google sonarQube scanner. Okay. Now here you will find different types of scanners. Scanner for Gradle, for .NET, Maven, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, and so many command line. All these are scanner is same. It's a jar file only, but wrapped it around in a different way as per the what you are using. Okay. So right now the one which I'm showing you is a command line. So here in the command line also Linux, Windows, Mac, Docker, www. So right now I'm in Windows, so download this. So I'm downloading the scanner, okay. After downloading the scanner.
Thanks for watching. Want to study further? Join our training programs today.